Hey guys, it's Mooregirl coming back with you. I found this cute little utility cart from the Goodwill. It was on sale for $2.99. Plus, with my 20% discount, I only paid $2.39 for this. So I was looking for something for my bathroom that's very small that I can kind of roll to the tub that will carry all my little essentials. So I'm going to upscale this utility cart into a beautiful bath caddy that is going to be blush and a slight champagne color. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So let's get started. For this project, I'm using Champagne Pink by Rust-Oleum. I got this paint from the Home Depot. Now, this is the closest color I found that was to the pink blush tones. I didn't want a metallic like a gold. I didn't want rose gold. So I figured, let me try this pretty blush paint and see how it comes out, because I want to soften this card up. I want it to look more feminine, not like a utility card. Now, the first thing you want to do is just make sure you shake this can up very well, and make sure also that the nozzle is clean, because you want to make sure you have an even flow. So make sure you just shake it up for maybe like 30 seconds or more. Now, I used to really love this brand, but you know what? And you see how it just spreads. To me, it's like a wasted, product here. And it spreads all over the place, and sometimes I get dust all over my other furniture because I'm doing this in a small patio space. So, but again, this is the closest I can come to that pretty pink blush that's soft, that wasn't a hot pink, and that wasn't a gold tone. So I figure I'll just use this.
just for tonight. I want to believe, so keep on coming closer, keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body. I want you to know all we need is love. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is love. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close, close around.
Next week on YouTube Tuesday, we're going to talk about music and monetization. This is your Mooregirl. Thanks for watching.